Okay. Given that classes officially end today, this is what my schedule for next week looks like. I've got office hours this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon. And then Wednesday from 10:30 to noon and 1 to 3. And then our exam is at 3:30 on Wednesday. So if you have questions, I emailed you this, I believe on Friday. It should have come through Canvas. You should have this available, but I wanted you to know when I'm going to be available for you. What questions do you have for me about the final? Yes, you can use the formula sheets from all the previous exams, and you're entitled to a new one for the materials from chapters 11 and 12. Yeah, so you can have as many as 3. The previous ones should have my initials on them from where we used them on the other exams, and I'll initial the new one as well, and then I'll collect them all with the exam. Other questions? Since the exam is paper and pencil, I will not be expecting you to recreate huge formulas, so you won't have to do an ANOVA by hand. You won't have to do a regression analysis by hand. But as with some of the questions on the third exam, I'll provide you with the Excel output and say, okay, what did we test? What would the hypotheses be? And what's our answer based on this information? The exam is about 20-ish% on the new material. The rest of it is from the previous stuff. People, this is your time. Whatever you want to ask. A short day.
How many questions are
Including just numbered questions, it's 20 questions, including the bonus. There are a bunch of those have a bunch of parts. It's fairly thick because I gave like 1 or 2 questions at most a page, but there's plenty of blank space for you to do work and such. My goal is to have everything you've given me graded by this point of office hours on Tuesday. So if you want your homeworks back before the exam, I will have them Tuesday afternoon at 1:30. Come by the enrichment center and I will happily give them back to you. The key will be posted as soon as this class ends. That way you have it to study from. What else? Deep breath, people. We made it to the end. And since this is the lead-in to the quant business decisions class, which I believe starts with multiple regression. We were dealing with only one explanatory variable. Chapter 13 addresses what happens when we have more than one explanatory variable and how to make good models for more complicated situations. It's still doing linear behavior, but it just extends it a little further. That's where we'll start next semester in the fall with Dr. Burns. Thank you all. This is only the second time I've ever taught this course, so I'm learning from your feedback as well, and I will see you all in the fall. If you don't have any other questions, I don't have a reason to nail your butts to the chairs. But I'm going to be here because I got another class at 10 o'clock, so I'll be here if you want to stay and keep asking me questions. Otherwise, I will see you on Wednesday or in office hours.